It's my mom's 100th birthday today. Born February 29, 1924. So we're going to gather and reminisce about all the wonderful years we spent together. She lived to be 95. We will begin by toasting some nice bread and then serving it with le acciughe salate, salted anchovies, one of her favorite recipes, and she taught me how to clean them. Then we will prepare to make some polenta. We will begin with some guanciale, render all the fat out, and then we're going to add all these mushrooms to it. Let it get a nice flavor. Then we're going to add some garden bottled tomatoes. And we're going to let them boil 10 minutes because we want to stay away from claustrophobia, beware. The guanciale has rendered out a lot of fat, so now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and hot pepper, but no garlic. Time to add the portabella, shiatsu, and oyster mushrooms, which have been rinsed and diced, and just enough time so that they kiss the olive oil. Time to add the garden tomatoes, which I also learned how to bottle from my mom. And these had the skins and the seeds in there, so I have to put them through a passatutto. We're using Bob's Red Mill polenta, and this recipe calls for 1 cup of polenta and 3 cups of water. My mom liked her polenta very, very creamy, and she cooked it for an hour or more. I like it a little more granular, so this only has to cook for about 30 minutes. Water comes to a boil, you add a little bit of salt, slowly whisk in the polenta, and we do our whisking with the paluccio. Oh, Alfeo did a good job whisking this. There are no lumps.
No lumpy.
And now when Mount Etna starts exploding, we know that the polenta is almost ready, and we can put it on the board. La tavola è pronta.
Oh, I make your father's trowel here again.
And polenta is ghiotta per formaggio. That's what my mom always said. Polenta is a glutton for grated cheese. Not too much wine with the polenta, but now with the chestnuts, yes, a glass of homemade wine goes well. Un po' di gelato. There's a little bit of leftover polenta without tomato sauce, and this will be delicious fried with a little bit of gorgonzola cheese and some olive oil. And this painting, my brother saw active duty in Vietnam, and this was painted by a South Vietnamese soldier.